और चर्चा तो चल ही रही है और हमारी कोशिश है कि जल्दी समाधान हो जाए।
सर, आपने इतनी चर्चा की है, किसानों ने कुछ तो बिंदु बताए होंगे जिन पर आप लोग भी विचार कर रहे होंगे कि ये हो सकते हैं या नहीं।
देखिए, चर्चा हुई है, कुछ विषयों पर चर्चा हुई है, लेकिन जब तक क्लॉज वाइज क्लॉज एक्ट पर चर्चा ना हो और वो एक्ट कैसे किसानों के विरुद्ध है, उसका कौन सा क्लॉज विरुद्ध है, वो तभी तो दिशा आगे बढ़ेगी ना।
और राज्यों में भी सर ये फैलता जा रहा है आंदोलन, और किसानों से अपील करेंगे कि बात कम से कम सड़क बाधित न करें, ट्रैफिक जाम न करें।
नहीं, मैं सभी किसान बंधुओं से आग्रह करना चाहता हूँ कि ये रिफॉर्म किसानों के हित में है और लंबे समय के इंतजार के बाद ये रिफॉर्म आए हैं। इनमें किसानों का हित है, लेकिन किसानों को कहीं भी आपत्ति है तो सरकार उनको सुनने के लिए, उस पर विमर्श करने के लिए, उसका निराकरण करने के लिए पूरी तरह तैयार है। इसलिए आंदोलन का रास्ता किसी को अख्तियार नहीं करना चाहिए। आंदोलन से जनता को भी तकलीफ
सरकार के पास एग्जिट प्लान क्या है? एग्जिट प्लान क्या है सर इस पूरे मामले में निकलने का? आप लोगों के पास, सरकार के पास इस पूरे मामले से एग्जिट प्लान क्या है?
एग्जैक्ट प्लान अभी प्रेस को थोड़ी बताया जाएगा।
भारतीय किसान यूनियन को ड्राफ्ट देना था, क्या वो यूनियन ड्राफ्ट दे चुकी है?
एमएसपी कानून बन सकता है नहीं या नहीं?
नहीं, दरअसल ये यूनियन को कहना तो ना, आप क्यों कह रहे हो?
आप सरकार की तरफ से पूछ रहा हूं।
नहीं, मैं वही बोल रहा हूँ कि जब यूनियन के लोग विषय रखेंगे तो मैं यूनियन के लोगों को जवाब दूंगा।
इसे भी कानून बनाने दी, इसे भी कानून बनाया जाए।
उनका कहना है, वो अपनी जगह ठीक है, लेकिन कुल मिला के जब विषय टेबल पर आएगा उसके कानूनी पक्ष को देखेंगे तभी आगे विचार होगा।
भारतीय किसान यूनियन को ड्राफ्ट एक सबमिट करना था, आज क्या वो ड्राफ्ट सबमिट कर चुके हैं? उनके क्या क्या पॉइंट?
अभी नहीं, रात तक आएगा, हम लोग इंतजार में हैं। जब उनका ड्राफ्ट आएगा तो कल उस पर चर्चा करेंगे। मैं इतना ही बोल रहा हूँ यार।
All right, that is of course the Union Agriculture Minister talking about what's happening at the moment with respect to the farmers' protest. This is now, remember, the next round of talks will be held tomorrow. The farmer protests ahead of the second round of talks tomorrow with the centre. And tomorrow is the next round of talks which the centre is going to have with the farmers over the controversial farm laws. Farmer organisations held crucial meetings today on their strategy at the Delhi-Noida border. They have now demanded for a special parliament session. Farmer unions say that they have already submitted objections to the centre. They have also demanded a written assurance on MSP. Meanwhile, top central ministers also held a strategy meet at Home Minister Amit Shah's residence today. Delhi, Haryana and Delhi UP borders meanwhile continue to remain blocked. Alok is joining us for more details at this point in time. Alok, what can you tell us here? There are several developments here. Farmers remaining adamant that they will not, go back on their demand of withdrawing all three laws, and else the protests will only intensify.
Yes, absolutely. The protest is going to intensify because the government is not ready to listen to them, what the farmers are saying, and government is again and again pushing on making and setting up the committee. And definitely the farmers are saying that if the committee is formed, then definitely the matter is going to be stretched. Already the farmers are protesting for past 2.5 months in Punjab and various states of across the country, and now the anger is came on the road. And they are protesting and they are blocking the road, the bordering areas of the national capital. So now today, in fact, the farmers or organization unions held 2 rounds of meetings by themselves at Singhu border only. First, they met. There are 32 organizations. That organization leaders met themselves. Then it was the All India Union meetings also held through video conferencing and through other channels, and they also took the opinions of all India Kisan unions as well, and now they come out with that conclusion that tomorrow when the meeting is going to happen between them, between the farmers organization and the central government, they are not going to go with the government's version of setting up the committee. They are saying that they want the permanent solution on this, and if the government is not ready to listen, then definitely the protest is going to intensify. And if the protest intensifies, then definitely the people of Delhi are going to suffer. Back to you.
Yes, absolutely, Alok. In fact, stay with us. Let's also listen into what the farmers had to say earlier and come back.
हम मीटिंग में गए, मीटिंग में हमने देखा जाके कि किसानों ने जैसे पहली बात हुई उसके बाद भी हमको लगा कि छोटी कमेटी बनाओ, टरकाने की बात, आप कानूनों के बारे में हर सेक्शन उसके बारे में बात करो, लंबी डिस्कशन करो, एक जल्दी छोटी कमेटी करेगी। इसमें हमको लगा है कि जहां पहले हमें डिवाइड करने की कोशिश की, उसी तरह उसको टरकाने की कोशिश भी की सरकार ने।
Alok, coming back to you here, meanwhile, a lot of politics, of course, breaking out over this entire issue of the farm laws and the protests, and of course, the borders are also still blocked.
Yes, absolutely. In fact, if you see in the national capital, the status of the borders and the bordering areas are not at all very cool, because 4 borders, specifically those are connecting Delhi from Uttar Pradesh and Haryana, are shut. In fact, yesterday 3 borders were completely shut and there was a huge traffic jam at the late night hours. And in fact, in the morning also at the UP border, which is connecting Delhi to Noida, it's a huge traffic jam. And there was one road, only DND border was opened, and at that border also there was a huge deployment of police and they were just trying to see that if the situation go on towards, and if the farmers come there, then there will be also the barricading. So the checking was also going on at the DND border as well, and that is why the huge traffic problem occurred in the national capital till today in the afternoon. However, after late afternoon, then in the evening today, one lane which is connecting Delhi and Noida, one lane is open now. So now the traffic which is coming towards Noida, which is going towards UP from Delhi, that is open now. But if you want to go from the Noida to Delhi, that is still shut. So definitely the problem is happening at the bordering areas of the national capital. Farmers have already threatened that they are going to block the national capital from 5 sides, and if their demands are not met, then they are going to block the Delhi from all the corners. So definitely the huge chaotic situation may occur. Back to you.
All right, Alok, thank you so much for joining us with all of those details.